Hello friends, welcome to my channel Master the Monster. Equations. Do you think equations are pure mathematics? Then you're absolutely wrong. Equations are part of our daily life. We use equations in our daily life. We not only use them, we also need equations to solve many real life problems. Before learning equations in detail, subscribe to my channel so that you will enjoy learning maths. Now the algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equations, elimination method. See, we have already seen the graphical method of solving pair of linear equations, and then in algebraic method we have seen about the substitution method to solve a pair of linear equations. Now we are going to see the elimination method to solve a pair of linear equations. Okay, now let's consider the equations 9x minus 4y equal 2000, 7x minus 3y equal 2000. So these are the two equations. I'm going to solve them using elimination method. Okay, now let's see the step-by-step procedure of elimination method. Now consider the first step is that multiply both the equations by some suitable non-zero constant to make the coefficients of one variable, either x or y, numerically equal. That is, now you are given two equations, isn't it? So now let me consider the two equations and take them to be equation number 1 and equation number 2. Let me name them like this. Okay, now we'll see the coefficients of the variables here. Now the x coefficient is 9, here it is 7, and y coefficient is 4, here it is 3. So now I feel that y coefficient is simpler. So let me consider the coefficient of y is minus 4, and in the second equation the coefficient of y is minus 3. Now what our step 1 says is that multiply both the equations by some suitable non-zero constant to make the coefficients of one variable numerically equal. So as I have chosen the variable y and their coefficients are different, now I am going to multiply them by a suitable constant so that get the coefficients to be equal. That is, let me multiply this minus 4 by 3 and this minus 3 by 4 so that I get both the coefficients to be 12. Right? So I could, as it is an equation, I couldn't do it for y alone. I should do it throughout the equation, isn't it? That is the concept of equation we have learned. It's like a balance and you should maintain the equality so that you should do it throughout the equation. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to multiply the first equation by 3. So I'll multiply it for each term. The first term 9x into 3 is 27x. And the next term for 4y into 3 is minus 12y. And for the next term it is in 2000 into 3, 6000. So this is how I multiply the first equation throughout by 3. Similarly, I am going to multiply the second equation throughout by 4 so that I get 7x into 4, 28x, minus 3y into 4, minus 12y, 2000 into 4, 8000. So this is our first step, that is multiply both the equations by suitable non-zero constants. So first equation I have multiplied by 3, second equation I have multiplied by 4 to make the coefficients of one variable numerically equal, and I have made the coefficients of y numerically equal. So I am done with the first step. Now let's move on to the second step. Step 2 says that add or subtract one of the equation from another so that one variable gets eliminated. So second step justifies the name of this method, elimination method. So what we are going to do in the second step, we are going to eliminate one variable, and obviously that is going to be the variable which we have chosen. So in this problem we have chosen y to be our favorite variable. So let's eliminate y from these two equations. So how to eliminate y? See, you have the coefficient of y to be 12 in both the cases, isn't it? So you can add both the equations or subtract both the equations so that this y gets eliminated. So if the coefficients of the variable are of same sign, you choose to subtract the two equations. If they are of different signs, you add the two equations, right? Here I have the coefficients to be of the same sign. So minus 12, minus 12. So I am going to subtract these two equations. Equation 1 minus equation 2. In order to subtract, you know that you have to change the sign of the second equation, isn't it? All the terms in the second equation, I have changed the sign. Therefore, the first thing I get is minus 12y plus 12y gets cancelled. And 27 minus 28, that gives me minus x, and 6000 minus 8000 gives me minus 2000. So when I add or subtract the resultant equations, I get one variable eliminated. And I have got an equation in one variable. Okay. Now we'll proceed to step 3. Step 3 says that solve the equation and get the value of the variable. So now the equation I have got is minus x minus 2000. This is very simple. I can easily solve it and get the value of x. So that I can cancel the minus sign. So the answer is x equal 2000. So I have got the value of one variable. So this is up to step 3. So up to step 3, what I have done, I have chosen a variable which I am going to eliminate. So comparing the coefficients of that variable, I have found that I have to multiply the first equation by 3 and second equation by 4, so that the coefficient of that variable y becomes numerically equal. And then as the coefficients are of same sign, I have decided to subtract the equations, and when I subtract the equations, this variable y gets eliminated and I have got an equation in x, and when I simplify that, I get the value of x. Okay, now we'll proceed to step 4. Step 4 says that substitute the value obtained in any one of the equations and get the value of the other variable. So now I have got x equal 2000. I can substitute in either first equation or second equation and get the value of y. Let me choose to substitute in first equation. So when I substitute x equal 2000 in first equation, I get 9 into 2000 minus 4y equal 2000. When I simplify this, I get minus 4y equal 2000 minus 18,000, that is minus 16,000, which further simplifies to y equal to 4,000. So this is how I got the values x equal 2000 and y equal 4,000 as the solution of the given equations by elimination method. So do you understand what is elimination method and how to solve the given set of equations using elimination method? Alright? Okay, now this is all about unique solution. We know that we may also have no solution or infinitely many solutions for a pair of equations, isn't it? So in an elimination method, when I am proceeding in step 2, we have already seen this condition in substitution method. If we get true statements, then we have infinitely many solutions. If we get a false statement without any variable, then there is going to be no solution. Come, let's see it through example. So in elimination method, let me see an example for infinite solutions. See, consider the equations, these two equations, and let me name them as 1 and 2. Now I am going to equate the coefficients of x here. See, the second equation is 4x and the first equation is 2x. So if I multiply the first equation by 2 alone is enough. I'll get 4x here also, isn't it? So I'm going to multiply the first equation by 2 so that I get 4x plus 6y equal 18. Second equation, I'm going to keep it as it is. Alright? Okay, now consider the x term 4x, 4x. They are of same sign, so I choose to subtract the equations. So in order to subtract the equations, I change the sign of all the terms in the second equation so that 4x minus 4x gets cancelled. Similarly, 6y minus 6y and 18 minus 18 also. Wow. So I have got 0 equal to 0, and it's obviously true. 0 is equal to 0. So it is a statement without variable and it is a true statement. So I conclude the given set of equations have infinite number of solutions, right? Okay, now we'll see an example for no solution, right? Consider the equations, these two set of equations. Let me name them as equation 1 and 2. Okay, now again I'm going to eliminate x here. For that you compare the coefficients x and 2x. So if I multiply the first equation by 2, it will be easy for me. So let me multiply the first equation by 2 so that I get 2x plus 4y minus 8 equals 0. Second equation I am not going to disturb as you have 2x there. Okay, now 2x, 2x, they are of same sign. So let me subtract them by changing the sign of the terms in the second equation, so that I get 2x minus 2x gets cancelled, 4y minus 4y gets cancelled, and minus 8 plus 12 is 4 equal 0. Here we have got 4 equals 0. Is 4 equals 0? No, it's a false statement, isn't it? So when you get a false statement like this without any variables, then we conclude that the given pair of equations have no solution. So this is all about the elimination method. By using elimination method, you can eliminate any one variable from the given two equations, so that we get an equation in one variable which is very easy to solve, and we'll directly get the value of that variable. Substitute in any one of the equations, get the value of other variable also. So this is about elimination method. Hope you all understand. Thank you.